There's a reason the smallest things are destroying you lately. One unread message, one spilled coffee, one "Hey, are you okay?" text. And suddenly, your chest is tight, your day is ruined, and you're fighting tears in the bathroom at work. Before you call yourself dramatic, stop. You're not weak. You're not broken. You're full. Your nervous system has a measurable capacity. Scientists call it your window of tolerance. And right. Now you are 100% full. One more drop and everything spills. 8 months ago, I dropped a glass of water. Just water. I sat on the kitchen floor and cried for 45 minutes straight. Not because of the glass, because that glass was the first drop that made the bucket overflow. So if tiny things feel apocalyptic lately, listen. This is the polyvagal explanation nobody taught you in school. Here are the 4 hidden reasons everything feels too much right now. Your stress container is neurologically full. Most people think stress resets every night. It doesn't. Every unprocessed emotion, every avoided conversation, every "I am fine" you said when you weren't gets stored in the body. Neuroscientist Stephen Porges proved that chronic stress shrinks your window of tolerance until even a normal Tuesday feels like a threat. Your nervous system is stuck in survival mode. When you live in prolonged sympathetic activation, fight or flight, or dorsal vagal shutdown freeze, numb, the amygdala stops distinguishing real danger from a slightly messy inbox. That's why you freeze when someone asks, "How are you?" Your brain literally thinks answering honestly might kill you. You've been emotionally suppressing for years. Every time you swallowed it, "S not a big deal," or "I don't want to burden anyone." The emotion didn't disappear, it got archived in your body. Trauma expert Gabor Mate calls this emotional constipation. Eventually, the smallest trigger causes a full system purge. You haven't felt safety in a very long time. Not just physical safety, emotional co-regulation. No one has held space for you to fall apart without trying to fix you. When the body never gets the signal it's safe to rest, it stays braced forever. Until one tiny thing knocks the wind out of you. You're not crazy. You're a human who's been carrying superhuman weight in complete silence. The meltdown over nothing. That wasn't weakness. That was your nervous system screaming, "I can't hold any more." The best part, you don't need to become tougher. You need to empty the bucket and widen the window. And you can start that today, in under 5 minutes. Do these 3 things every single day until you feel the shift. Thousands of my viewers report noticeable relief in 7 to 14 days. A. The physiological Psi-2X per day. Huberman Lab, 2023. 2 quick inhales through the nose. Long, slow exhale through the mouth. Do 5 rounds. It's the fastest way to dump excess CO and drop sympathetic tone. B. The 60-second orienting exercise Polyvagal-informed. Slowly look around the room, noticing 5 things you can see, 4 you can touch, 3. You can hear. This tells your vagus nerve, we are not being chased by a lion right now. Do it every time you feel the spill. COMING. C1. Honest sentence. No journaling required. Open your phone notes and write, right now I feel _ and that's S-OK. That single act of naming without judgment starts discharging stored emotion. Bonus daily micro practice. Place one hand on your heart, one on your belly, and say out loud, I'm here, I'm safe. I don't have to fix this alone. Self-touch plus self-voice equals instant co-regulation. So if you've been asking, why can TI cope with literally anything anymore? The answer is simple. You've been coping with everything alone for too long. That tiny thing that broke you wasn't the problem. It was the alarm bell you finally needed. You're not falling apart, you're emptying out. So there's room to finally breathe again. Do the 3 practices, come back in 2 weeks, and tell me how different life feels. You deserve to take up less space in survival and more space in peace. I'll see you in the next one.